Good morning dear students, welcome to Infinity Classes S.S.L.C Mathematics. In this video we are going to solve question number 17 to 24 S.S.L.C model question paper 1 for S.S.L.C annual exam model question papers paper 1 2024-25 question number 17 to 24 we are going to solve in this video. So let us see the question number 17, first one. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So answer the following question here. Here each question carries this question number third. Each totally you will get the what 8 questions here. Totally you are getting here 8 questions. In these 8 questions, each question carries 2 marks. 2 8s are 16. It means each question carries 2 marks here. So you will get the what 16 marks in this question number main, that is third question. So first question is 17th question. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. It is a standard problem from the topic real numbers. So we have to prove the given number is a irrational number. We have to proceed with the what assumption. So given number we have to assume that it is a rational number first, then we have to proceed. So let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Is a rational number. If it is a rational number means we have to write this one in the form of what P by Q, that is 3 plus root 5 is equal to P by Q. 3 plus root 5 is what P by Q, where P comma Q, P and Q are belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Remember here, if it is a rational number means 3 plus root 5 is equal to what P by Q. अगर ये rational number है तो 3 plus root 5 को हम P by Q के फॉर्म में लेंगे, equal to what P by Q लिखेंगे. P and Q क्या है यहाँ पर इंटीजर है और Q की वैल्यू 0 के बराबर नहीं होगी. Q is not equal to 0. So next step, that is root 5 is equal to P by Q. ये जो प्लस 3 है राइट साइड में जाने के बाद में क्या होगा -3 एंड रूट 5 इज इक्वल टू P Q इंटू 3Q -3Q divided by Q. Here P Q are what co-prime numbers, we can say. Here P and Q are what co-prime numbers. Co-prime. So here P minus 3Q divided by Q is what rational number. Are here P and Q are integers and P and Q are what integers. And Q is not equal to 0, as we starting only we written here P comma Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. If P and Q are integers, then we can say this one P minus 3Q divided by Q is what rational number. P minus 3Q divided by Q is rational. Therefore, so root 5 is also what rational. Root 5 is rational because P minus 3Q divided by Q is equal to what here root 5. So if it is a rational number, right hand side part, this part is rational means it is also what rational, we can say. This contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is what? Irrational. So therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So what we assumed here? First we assumed the what? 3 plus root 5 is rational. Here root 5 is a irrational number. Our assumption is what? Wrong. Our assumption is wrong, we can say. Therefore we can say that 3 plus root 5 is irrational. 3 plus root 5 is what? Irrational number. In this way we have to solve the problem. Irrational number. So first we have to assume that let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number means 3 plus root 5 is what? P by Q, where P and Q belongs to what? Z, and Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are what? Co-prime numbers, we can say. Co-prime means what? Which has an HCF is what? 1, which has HCF 1. So root 5 as it is here, 3 we are transferring to the what? Right side, it will become what? Minus 3. Now Q is the LCM and cross multiply here. P minus 3Q by Q. Here P and Q are what? Integers. If it is integers, then this value will be what? A rational number. P minus 3Q is what? A rational. This P minus 3Q is equal to what? Root 5. So root 5 is what? Rational. But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is what? Irrational. Therefore our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is what? Irrational number. So in this way we have to solve the problem. So you will get the what? 2 marks for this type of the question. Next, moving to the what? Question number 18. What is composite number? What is composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? So dear student, I have written here, I have typed the here answer. So first we have to write the definition of this one. So what is the definitions here? A composite number is a natural number. A composite number is a natural number or a positive integer which has more than 2 factors. A number which has more than 2 factors, or a composite number is a natural number or a positive integer which has more than 2 factor is called as what? Composite number. Or you can also define in this manner: a number that is divisible by a number apart from one and the number itself. यानी कि एक और वो नंबर को छोड़कर जो डिवाइड होता है वो नंबर, ए नंबर दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय अपार्ट फ्रॉम वन एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कंपोजिट. इसका मतलब क्या है? ये नंबर विच हैज मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स, वन इन इटसेल्फ, उसको छोड़कर भी दूसरे फैक्टर्स आते हैं. सो सच नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? कंपोजिट नंबर. सो और यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अमॉन्ग 23, यहाँ पर 23 एंड 24 में कंपोजिट नंबर कौन सा है? यहाँ पर 23 जो है वो प्राइम नंबर है. हियर 23 it has only 2 factors, 1 and 23 itself. So it is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. 23 is what? Prime number, we can say. Here 24 is a composite number. It has a more than 2 factors. 4, 6, 8, then 12, then 24. So these are the what factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the what factors of 24. So by the definition we can say that composite number is a natural number or a positive integer which has more than 2 factors. Listen here, observe here 24 has more than 2 factors. So 24 is the what? Composite number here. Among, now we can conclude, among 23 and 24, 24 is the composite number. 24 is the composite number. 24 is the what? Composite number. 24 is the what? Composite number. So you have to solve in this manner. So moving to the what? Next question, that is OR. With this question, this is the main question, question number 18. Here the internal choice will be given, that is OR question. So what is that OR question? Let us see here. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So it is very easy one. So first we have to write the statement of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Put the heading and write the statement first. So see the screen here. First I have put the here heading, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. See the heading, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Put the heading first, then write the statement. Every natural number can be expressed, every natural number can be expressed in the form of the product of power of its prime. In the form of the what? Product of power of its primes. This statement is known as, so we are writing every natural number in the, we are expressing the every natural number in the form of product of the power of its prime. So this statement is known as the what? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This statement is called as what? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. यानी कि कौन सा भी नेचुरल नंबर लो, हम उस नेचुरल नंबर को प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स में हम इसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. सो ये स्टेटमेंट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक की स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं. और यहाँ पर और एक क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यू है. Write the composite number here which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So these 7 is also a prime number, 3 is also prime number. Multiply this one, 7 into 3, you will get the what? 21. 21 is the composite number here. Here 21 is the composite number. It has 3 and 7 as its prime factors. 3 7s are 21. So 21 is the answer here. 27 is the composite number. 21 is the composite number. Which has which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors, as its only prime factors, only prime factors. Moving to the what? Next question. So in this way we have to write the first statement, then we have to write the composite number. 21 is the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its a prime number, because these two are what? Here already 7 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. Multiply this one, you will get the what? 21. So 21 is the prime number which has its prime factors 3 and 7. So next question, question number 19. Find the 21st term of the arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 using formula. So it is a very simple problem. We have to use the formula and we have to find the 21st term. So here first I am going to write the given arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 and so on. Yes. So we have to find the A21st term. Question mark. Here A is equal to 5 and D is equal to this A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that is D is equal to 9 minus 5, that is D is equal to what? 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Now N is equal to what? 21. So we know that the formula, we know that nth term of the AP, that is AN is equal to AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So N means what? 21. A means what here? 5. In the place of A write the value 5. N means what? 21 minus 1. D means what? 4. So further I am writing here, that is A21 is equal to 5 as it is, plus 21 minus 1 is what? 20 into 4, that is A21 is equal to 5 plus 4 into 0 0 as it is, 4 2s are 8, that is A21 is equal to what? 85. Therefore 21th term is what? 85. 21th term is what? 85 here. So in this manner we have to solve the problem. So next, moving to the what? Next question. Moving to the next question, that is question number 20. We are solving now. So question number 20, see the what? Question number 20, solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So see here, these are the two pair of linear equation. This is equation 1. Call this as first equation is what? Equation 1. Second one is what? Equation 2. Observe in this equation, here the variable y is same. Elimination method means what? We have to directly subtract here. For this problem we have to directly, I am going to subtracting minus minus minus. Here plus y minus y get cancelled. Here x minus 2x is what? Minus x. 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 2. Here both the side minus is there. X is minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. From 1, x plus y is equal to 4. In the place of x I am writing here. In the place of x I am writing here. That is 2 plus y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to what? 4 minus 2. This 2 goes to the what? Right side. It will become what? Minus. Then 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Y is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. So in this manner we have to solve the problem. That is the question number 21. Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Moving to the what? Question number 21. Next question 21. Read the question carefully first. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0 has two real equal roots, then find the equation. We have to find the equation b less than 1. b less than 1 means what? We have to find the value of b which is less than 1. b less than 1 इसका मतलब यहाँ पर है b की वैल्यू 1 से छोटी होती है, यानी कि 0 माइनस 0, 1 से छोटी यानी कि 0 1 2 0 माइनस 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 3, ये यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू आएगी. सो फर्स्ट राइट द गिवन इक्वेशन, दैट इज सोल्यूशन. x square plus bx plus 9 equal to what? 0. Here I am going to write the denominator, the standard form of the equation. इसके नीचे standard form of the equation लिखो. ax square plus bx plus c equal to what? 0. So now I am going to write the value of a, b, c here. So the coefficient of x square is what? 1. Here a is equal to what? 1 and b is equal to b itself here, and c is equal to what? 9. So quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Since quadratic equation has two equal real roots, two equal real roots, then b square minus 4ac is equal to what? 0. So what is the value of b here? b square itself minus 4, a means what? 1, c means what? 9 equal to what? 0. Next here, now I am going to write the remaining part of this question is what? In this side, b square minus 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. That is b square minus 36 is equal to 0. Then b square is equal to what? 36. Then b is equal to plus or minus root 36. Then b is equal to what? Plus or minus 6. Here condition is given b is less than 1. Here b is less than 1 means b is equal to, we have to take minus 6. b is equal to minus 6 because condition is what? b is less than 1. We have to take minus value of b, that is b is equal to what? Minus 6. Then write in this equation you will get the what? Required answer. Therefore required quadratic equation is quadratic equation is x square. What is the value of b here? That is minus 6. Plus into minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 is the answer for this question. So in this manner we have to solve the problems. You will get the 2 marks for this type of the question. Moving to the next question, that is question number 22. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A 1, -3 and B 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. For this problem we are going to first draw the line. First write the solution. First draw the line. This is the point A and this is the point B. Here the coordinates of A are what? 1, -3 and coordinates of B is what? 8, 5. Yes, so this line is dividing the point. The point divides, coordinates of the point dividing in the ratio 3:1 means this is 3 and this is 1, we can say internally. Yes, by section formula internally we are using here. So this one is what? x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is m and this is what? n. By section formula internally we have to find this point, that is p of xy. We have to find this p of xy. By section formula, p of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. When p of xy is equal to, write the value of m. M is what here? 3 and x2 means what? 8 here, plus n means what? 1 and x1 means what? 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then m means what? Again 3. Y2 means what here? 5 plus n means what? 1. Y1 means what? Minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. Then after simplifying this one, write this one first. I will make the space for writing the next steps. So next I am going to write here. See the things. I am going to write the next step, that is p of xy is equal to, I am writing here p of xy is equal to 3 8s are 24, 1 into 1 1, 24 plus 1 divided by 4, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 is what? Minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Then x is equal to what here? 25 divided by 4. Then 15 minus 2 is what? 13 divided by 4. 13 divided by 4 is the answer here. Sorry, 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3. This is minus 3. Yes, 15 minus 3. This is 15 minus 3 means what? 12 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. That is y is equal to. Then x is equal to what? 25 by 4 and y is equal to what? 3. So the coordinates of p of x comma y. Therefore p of x comma y is equal to what? P of, that is 25 by 4 comma 3. Yes. So in this manner we have to solve the problems. You will get the what, 2 marks. So pause the video and note it down. So we have to use the section formula internally for this question. So next, moving to the what, next question, that is question number 22. Next question 23. Yes, write the question number 23 next. So if you have any doubts, please give the comments in the comment box. Yes, so moving to the question number 23. So let us see the question number 23 here. In the figure, xy is a tangent. Here xy is the tangent, this xy at the point of P. This is the point P to a circle. This point is what, P to a circle with center O. This is the center O. Q is a point on xy. So here Q is the point on the line xy. Then show that OQ is greater than what, OP. OQ is greater than OP. Yes, so it's very easy problem. So first we are going to let xy be the tangent to the circle at the point P. Write the solution. Let xy be the tangent, xy be the what, tangent to the circle at a point P. At a point P. Yes, and OP is the radius of the circle. This OP is the what, radius of circle. OP is a radius of circle. Radius of circle. OP is the what, radius of circle, and Q is the point on the xy. Q is the point on the line. Q is the point on xy. On xy. Yes, join O and Q construction. This O and Q we are joining. Join this O and Q. Join this O and Q. Join O and Q. Join O and Q in the triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, and angle P is what here, 90 degree. This angle is what, 90 degree we can say. Yes, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to write here, square of the hypotenuse means what, this OQ. OQ square is equal to sum of the squares of opposite and adjacent side, that is OP square plus PQ square we can say. OP square plus PQ square, where PQ is greater than 0 here. Where PQ is greater than 0, it is greater than 0. This implies OQ square is greater than OP square. Therefore this implies, if OQ square is greater than OP square means what, OQ is greater than OP. See here, this is the radius. Assume that it is a 3, then here is also radius, so it is the extension here. So this, it is 3. Suppose if it is 2, this is 3 plus 2 is what, 5. This 5 is greater than 3. It means 5 is what, OQ is greater than this OP. So this is the proof of this one. So this I have taken it just for example purpose, that is 3 and 2. So for your understanding purpose I have written 2 and 3 here. So only thing is that, so only we have to join this OQ. Observe here, this is the radius and it is also radius pointer. So if you extend here this OP is less than this OQ, we can say. Therefore OQ is what? Greater than OQ is greater than OP, we can say. Hence the proof of this problem. Now next question, that is question number 24. We are going to solve. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. See here, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. Here the hemisphere is mounted to the what? Cone of same radius, means the radius of the cone is equal to the what? Radius of hemisphere. Here the radius is what? Same. Here the total height of the toy is given. The total height of the toy is what? 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Why total surface area? Means it is totally closed figure here. So we have to find this total surface area of the toy. See here, this is the cone and its radius is what? 3.5 here, and this is the hemisphere. It is mounted, the cone is mounted to what? Hemisphere here. It is mounted and its radius is also what? 3.5, and the height of this what? That is 15.5 centimeter. It is given 15.5 centimeter given. The total surface area of the toy is nothing but, here two figures are there, curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cone. We have to find out. So curved surface area of the hemisphere formula and curved surface area of the cone. So first we have to find the given things. That is first we have to write the given things, that is radius of the cone. Radius of cone is equal to what? Radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. That is R is equal to what? 3.5 centimeter. R is equal to what? 3.5 centimeter. Next, height of the toy. Height of the toy. Height of the toy is what? H is equal to 15.5 centimeter. H is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Then we have to find the height of the cone. Height of the cone is what? Height of cone. Height of cone is nothing but height of toy minus height of toy minus height of hemisphere. Height of hemisphere. We have to find the height of the toy, height of the cone and height of the minus height of hemisphere. So we have to find the first this one, height of the cone is nothing but height of the cone is minus height of the hemisphere. We have to find height of hemisphere. So see here, height of the toy is what? 15.5 centimeter, and the height of the cone is nothing but this is 3.5. That is 3.5. So we will get the what? Height of the toy is what? 15.5 minus 3.5 means what? 12 centimeter is the what? Height of the cone. Height of cone. Height of cone is what? 12 centimeter. So now we have to find this slant height. This slant height of the cone is calculated using the what? Problem. I am going to the what? Next slide here. So slant height that is L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So R is nothing but here 3.5 whole square plus H square means 12 square. So L is equal to 3.5 square means the square root 35 square is what? 12 to 5 we can say. Here after the 0.1 digit, after squaring we have to leave the 2 digits, that is 12.25, and square of 12 is what? 144. Add these two, we get L is equal to what? 56.25. It is the perfect square of what? L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. The square root of 56.25 is nothing but 12.5 centimeter. Now total surface area of the toy we have to calculate. Now total surface area is equal to area of toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone. So now I am going to write these two formulas here. That is curved surface area of this hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of the cone is what? Pi rl. That is what is common here? Pi r is common here. Pi r I am taking common here in this. That is 2r remains here in this part, and here L remains plus L. Then 2 pi means what? 22/7. R means 3.5. Then 2 into 3.5 plus L means 12.5. L means 12.5, and 7 ones are 7 into 0.5 is, that is 22 into 0.5 into the bracket 2 into 3.5 means what? 7. So this will be what? 7. 2 into 3.5 is what? 7 plus 12.5. Then 2 into 22 into 0.5, that is 1/2. Here again 22, this 0.5 can be written 1/2. 2 ones are 2, 11s are. Then 7 plus this one, 7 plus 12.5 is what? 19.5. 11 into 19.5. So 11 into 19.5 is nothing but 214.5 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of toy. So in this way we have to solve the problem. So you will get the 2 marks for this question. So pause the video and note it down. Moving to the next question. I am going to solve the next question again here. So what is the next question? This is the main question of question number 24. Now question number 24, or here the internal choice will be given here. So it is also very easy problem. So what is the given here? The volume of a sphere is given here. Volume of sphere is given in this question. So write the solution here. Volume of sphere is given, that is volume of sphere is what? 539. So I am going to write volume is denoted by V, that is 539 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Then volume of the sphere V is equal to what? 4/3. I am replacing this V, 4/3 pi r cube I am writing, because volume of sphere formula is what? 4/3 pi r cube, that is 539 divided by 3 centimeter cube here. So don't write this unit here. So calculate first thing. This 3 get cancelled. Yes. Then r cube is equal to, that is 4 as it is. Pi means what? 22/7 into r cube is equal to what? 539. Yes. Now 11 2s are cancel it. 11 2s are 22. 11 4s are 44. 11 9s are 99. So this one going to be cancelled here. That is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 divided by 7 into r cube is equal to what? 49. So next I am going to write the remaining part here. Then r cube is equal to 7 into 49. That is 7. R cube is equal to this 49 into 7 divided by 8. Then r cube is equal to this 49 can be written 7 square into 7 divided by 8, then r cube is equal to 7 square. Here base is same, adding the power, that is 7 cube divided by 2 cube. 8 means what? 2 cube. Therefore here cube is there, so I'm going to write here remaining step, that is r cube is equal to 7 by 2 whole cube. Here cube get cancelled, then r is equal to what? 7 by 2. The value of r is what here? 7 by 2. Here after calculating the radius, so now we can calculate the surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere. Pause the video and note it down, this one. So next I am going to calculate the surface area of sphere is equal to surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, and surface area is divided by what? A is equal to 4 pi r square. Then what is 4 as it is into pi means 22 by 7, then r square means 7 by 2 whole square, because r we just calculated, that is r is what here? See here r is what? 7 by 2. So this value I am using here, 7 by 2 whole square, then 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 square. This can be written 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are, sorry, this one cancel, 4. So this is cancelled, 4 is cancelled, then 1 7 will get cancelled. Now 22 into 7 remains. 2 ones are 2 11s are cancel, yes, then 2 ones are 2 twos are cancel here. This 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 into 11 is what? 22, and this 7 and this 7 is cancelled. Into 1 7 remains here, into 7. Now 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, that is what? 154 centimeter square is the what? Area, surface area. Therefore surface area of sphere is equal to surface area of sphere is equal to 154 centimeter square. In this manner we have to solve the problem. So these are the what 2 marks problems. So keep on watching my channel. हमारे चैनल को देखते रहिए, और प्लीज़ अब तक जिन किसी ने भी पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है, पार्ट 1 देखिए इस वीडियो का। यहाँ जिस पार्ट 1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 16 तक मैंने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया है, किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है वो भी आप जान जाएंगे। सो अब तक जो कोई भी इस चैनल को लाइक नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ एक रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल and be your exam preparation with us. So thank you so much for watching my channel.